Hello, and in this video, I am going to talk to you about who owns ClickFunnels. So a lot of people ask this and talk about this, and the big name you always hear, of course, is Russell Brunson, because Russell Brunson is definitely the brains and the genius behind this and building the software. But he could not have done it without Todd Dickerson. So Russell Brunson and Todd Dickerson are the co-founders of ClickFunnels. So Russell is basically the marketing genius behind everything, putting it together, the ideas, concept. And Todd Dickerson is the developer, designer, and handles all the back end. So basically, and my understanding and from what I've learned is that, Russell approached Todd to help him build out this amazing tool called ClickFunnels. And I had the pleasure of hearing both of them speak at last year's Funnel Hacking Live. And although you don't hear about Todd as much, he is definitely just as important as Russell in this on designing the back end and making sure it does what Russell wants it to do. So together they make an amazing team. Russell Brunson being obviously the marketing genius behind it, and Todd being the tech genius behind it. The company was started back in 2013. Now it's, according to this, the employees are anywhere from 100 to 250. And also they have a great affiliate program. So you also have people who affiliate for ClickFunnels, and it's a huge affiliate program. I myself am an affiliate. So a lot of people are making a lot of money with this software as an affiliate, and also as end users, as small business owners, entrepreneurs, people who sell courses, memberships, you name it. But this is a great, I just went to this site. This is called Crunchbase, just to give you guys kind of a basic understanding of what it is, but you can always go here. Crunchbase ClickFunnels shows you kind of just some basic information. But Todd Dickerson, Russell Brunson and Todd Dickerson are your two main people here, co-founders. There's Todd. And so if you want to learn more about these guys, you can simply Google them and you'll find tons of information. And of course, if you head over to clickfunnels.com, you can find out more about them there as well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.